So I grew up on the land. I was a butcher by trade, and then I was a meat inspector for many years, and then needed a break out of that and came to Montville and been selling clocks here for the last 27 years until this year. And my son, my youngest son, now owns that business, and I'm sort of easing my way out of it and more back into the farm. So that cycle you talked about is there, yeah. So it's I guess my love of farming is probably in some senses brought me this far. You know, they say you know where you think you'll go is where you'll go, and here we are. But it was nearly too much to take on this property because it was so run down. But anyway, I didn't know whether I'd really have it in me to come thus far. But anyway, here we are, and it's looking pretty good now. Been here for 3 years. I've learned a lot about avocados because I've never grown them previously, but had good people advise me, and a lot of the trees were, you would kind of say, on their last legs nearly when I came here, but probably as you can see now it's quite lush, and just by using organic farming methods to rejuvenate the soil and make the crops, the trees healthy again. I think we put about 17 tonnes of composted cow manure that went under the trees, and then we put, I think I don't know how many, it was 2 big truckloads of forest mulch went under the trees, as well as lime pellets, organic lime pellets, and most years we get about 2 tonne here. It's not a big amount of avocados for the number of trees. I think the soil needs to be rebuilt, the trees need to be looked after. All that's happening, and it takes a few years to build all that up. So this variety here is Blurts. They're a later variety, even though they're flowering early, but they're usually the last ones we pick at the end of the season. The short stay pays well. We have a lot of weddings in our region up here because it's such a beautiful area. So we get a lot of people that would come for 2 or 3 days for a wedding. So we renovated the house, and it'll accommodate 10 people. It's 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It was quite a project as well, but as you said, it's paid off. Even the extra expense of doing that, and we get, it's a beautiful property, a beautiful environment, and people love it when they come here. I enjoy it, and it's really nice to be able to take a really good product to market, and people love it.